In this video, you'll learn how to upgrade your Calendly account to access additional features and functionalities. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully navigated through the upgrade process, ensuring that your scheduling needs are fully met. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL calendly.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Calendly homepage, which features a clean layout highlighting various options for scheduling events. Next, locate the option labeled Upgrade Plan in the left corner of the screen. This button is typically positioned prominently, making it easy to find. Click on this button to proceed to the account upgrade section, where you will be presented with different plan options. After selecting the upgrade option, you will be directed to a new page displaying various plans available for your Calendly account. Here, you can choose between different tiers such as Standard, Teams, and Enterprise. To select the Standard plan, click on the corresponding button labeled Standard. This action will highlight the plan and present you with further details about its features. Once you have reviewed the Standard plan, you may also consider the Teams option. To do this, click on the button labeled Teams. This plan is designed for collaborative scheduling and can be beneficial if you are working in a team environment. The page will update to reflect the details of the Teams plan, allowing you to compare it with the Standard option. If you are looking for the most comprehensive features, you can select the Enterprise plan. Click on the button labeled Enterprise to view its offerings. This plan is tailored for larger organizations that require advanced features. After selecting your desired plan, you will have the option to choose your billing frequency. Click on the button labeled Bill Monthly if you prefer a monthly payment structure. This choice provides flexibility, allowing you to manage your expenses more effectively. The page will refresh to confirm your selection, ensuring that you are ready to complete the upgrade. Finally, review your plan selection and billing frequency before proceeding to the payment section. Ensure that your payment details are accurate and that you have sufficient funds or credit available to complete the transaction. Once you are ready, follow the prompts. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.